Be budget conscious. Mastering your finances with ease. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and essential topic for English language learners and, frankly, for anyone interested in managing their finances better. We're going to explore what it means to be budget conscious. Understanding this phrase not only helps you with your English language skills but also offers valuable insights into a beneficial life skill. So, let's get started and decode the layers behind being budget conscious. First things first, let's break down the phrase, be budget conscious. To be budget conscious means to be aware of your spending and financial limits. It involves planning how you spend your money and making efforts to save where you can. When someone is budget conscious, they are not just spending money blindly. They are thoughtful and deliberate about where their money goes, ensuring that they are not overspending and are saving for the future. Being budget conscious is crucial for several reasons. It helps you stay within your financial limits, avoiding debt, save for future needs, like emergencies, vacations, or big purchases. Make informed decisions about where to spend your money. Achieve financial goals, such as buying a house, continuing education, or retiring comfortably. Understanding the importance of being budget conscious can significantly impact your financial health and overall well-being. Becoming budget conscious doesn't happen overnight. It requires practice and dedication. Here are some steps to start. 1. Track your spending. Keep a record of everything you spend money on. This will give you a clear picture of your financial habits. 2. Create a budget. Based on your tracking, make a budget that allocates funds to essentials, savings, and a little for wants. 3. Prioritize saving. Always set aside a portion of your income for savings, even if it's a small amount. 4. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending, such as dining out less or canceling unused subscriptions. 5. Plan for the future. Set financial goals and work towards them. This could be saving for a trip, investing, or building an emergency fund. Being budget conscious can be challenging, especially in a world full of temptations and instant gratification. Here's how to stay on track. Stay motivated. Keep your financial goals in mind and remind yourself why they're important. Use tools and resources. Many apps and websites can help you track spending and budget more effectively. Learn to say no. Sometimes, being budget conscious means turning down invitations or opportunities to spend money. Seek support. Share your financial goals with friends or family members who can offer encouragement and accountability. Becoming budget conscious is a valuable skill that goes beyond just saving money. It's about making smarter financial decisions and securing your future. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to be budget conscious and how you can apply these principles in your life. Remember, it's not about restricting yourself but rather making informed choices that align with your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Stay tuned, and don't forget to be mindful of your budget.